Power BI, Tableau. If you're looking for business intelligence software, then this is the right video. Today we're going to explore both of the software's features. We want to have a look at one or two of their drawbacks, and we want to know which one is going to be best for you specifically. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So jumping into Power BI now, you can actually discover powerful business intelligence software that turns your data into actionable insights. Power BI actually offers intuitive tools for data visualization and analysis, as well as empowering better decisions. Let's have a look a little bit more. So first of all, it has that easy data visualization. It has a drag and drop interface, which simplifies building dashboards quickly, and you can customize it the way that you need it. You can combine Excel, SQL Server, and cloud data effortlessly, and it offers you real-time updates which provide instant access to your current metrics. Example use cases could include tracking sales by region and productivity categories, all in real time. Also, it has AI-powered analytics for smarter decisions. So it offers natural language queries, so you can actually ask questions in plain English and you can get instant yet simple answers. It also offers quick insights to automatic trends and anomaly detections, which can save analytical time. And their machine learning integration. So it has advanced analytics for predictive and prescriptive insights. This is fantastic. Also, you can customize your visuals. So you can create unique charts tailored to your specific business needs, and you can import from the marketplace or develop your own using Power BI SDK. For example, customer satisfaction gauge charts for quicker and more effective insights. It also gives you mobile accessibility. You can access all of your dashboards anytime, anywhere on your mobile device. Of course, as long as you have an internet connection. It also has a native app for iOS, Android, Windows with some offline accessibility. Having a look now at one or two of their drawbacks. Of course, every software that you'll use will come with one or two drawbacks. First of all, the technical requirements. It does have quite a bank of advanced features, so you would need a little bit of background to use Power BI nicely to its full potential. Also, it does have a steeper learning curve if you are a beginner. One of the other things is reports of performance. Large data sets can actually slow the dashboard responsiveness down quite a bit. And then one of the other things is to consider the cost and see if it's right for you. So we're jumping into Tableau right now, and it offers an interactive dashboard for you to explore your data in a visual sense. So anybody that is a visual thinker, this is fantastic. You can actually build a drag and drop dashboard delivering real-time insights. It empowers you to explore your data freely. Their dashboards also increase data comprehension by up to 67%, according to a Forrester study. Having a look at the data storytelling, you can actually uncover meaningful insights that you wouldn't even know exist, but it's sitting right in front of you. It gives compelling narratives. You can transform raw data into engaging stories with clear visualization. It has a guided audience experience feature, so you can actually use annotations and highlights to emphasize key insights, and it has key trends examples. So you can actually highlight revenue growth across regions with mock sales data, and this gives you an idea of what your dashboard could look like. Having a look at their analytics now, their predictive modeling and their forecasting, you can actually utilize the built-in tools for deep analytic insights. Also, it has future forecasting, so you can actually predict trends and identify risks accurately before you get to that point where you need to deal with that situation. Also, forecasting surpasses up to 90% accuracy in retail sales scenarios. Also, you get seamless data integration. You can connect basically to anything. So it has multiple data sources, a unified data view, and a connectivity. So it does support over 80 data connectors, and that is very, very flexible. Having a look at one or two of the drawbacks: the steep learning curve. The software is not for beginners. You will need some advanced training if you don't want to use it for the full potential, or you are going to have to hire somebody that is going to be able to use it properly. This now also comes into play when we're considering pricing and if it is the software for you on your budget. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, two softwares, one choice. Which one is it? On the one hand, you have certain use cases. On the other hand, you maybe have a budget-friendly option or something that is less complex. The key takeaway here is to go and use the software. See what works for you specifically, and then go with that. If this really was helpful, drop us a like, and we will see you next time.